It supports continuous 24/7 recording with automatic overwrite when the disk is full. The included 2 TB gives you immediate storage. Hi folks, today we are unboxing the Reolink RLN 8410, a PoE NVR that promises 4K output, 8 PoE camera ports, and a built-in 2TB hard drive. Let's see what's inside and what you actually get. The box looks typical for Reolink. Model name, basic icons, and a call out that there's a pre-installed 2TB hard drive in this kit. This is the 8-channel PoE version, meaning it has 8 built-in PoE ports for IP cameras. First off, inside the box, we see the user manual as well as the accessories box. Removing this cardboard lid, we see the NVR itself. Inside the box, you get the Reolink RLN 8410 NVR unit, an Ethernet cable, an HDMI cable to connect it to the monitor, a power adapter, a mouse to control the GUI, as well as a quick start guide. Importantly, the model itself ships with a 2 TB pre-installed HDD, so you can start recording right away. On the back of this Reolink NVR, you would be able to find 8 PoE ports, RJ45 for IP cameras. You can plug cameras straight into the NVR and they'll get power and network from the same cable. There is 1 Giga LAN port for internet connectivity and remote access, which you can connect directly to your router. There is a USB 2.0 port for mouse connectivity. Then there's an HDMI output which supports up to 3840 by 2160 4K output for live view on a 4K monitor or a TV. Then there's a VGA output along with an eSATA expansion, which itself already has a pre-installed 2TB HDD, which is expandable. Finally, you would be able to see power adapter socket as well as the NVR on-off switch. This Reolink NVR supports up to 16 megapixel 4K camera input and a variety of resolutions: 4K, 5 megapixel, 4 megapixel, 1080p. It supports continuous 24/7 recording with automatic overwrite when the disk is full. The included 2 TB gives you immediate storage, and the NVR supports larger internal and external storage. Simultaneous playback. The NVR supports synchronous playback varying by resolution. For example, the higher resolution would support fewer channels. So check the spec table for 8 megapixel or 12 megapixel limits. PoE specifics. The NVR's PoE ports are standard 10, 100 Mbps self-adaptive PoE ports and support IEEE 802.3AF80. So most Reolink PoE cameras will plug and play. For larger installations or longer cable runs, you should consider a PoE switch or powered PoE injector if you need more flexibility. The initial setup for this Reolink NVR is very straightforward. Connect the NVR to a 4K monitor via HDMI, attach the PoE cameras, power the NVR, and the initial wizard will guide you through date, networks, and recording modes. The unit also supports remote access via Reolink's app and P2P connection for mobile viewing. Some practical tips. This NVR is ideal if you want a subscription-free local recording setup, which includes NVR plus PoE cameras. You should check the synchronous playback limits. You may not be able to play back all 8 channels at maximum resolution simultaneously. You should plan archival or retention around that. Keep this NVR in a ventilated cupboard. On the spec sheet, you'll be able to find the operating temperature and humidity ranges for the specific NVR model. For example, -10 degrees to +45 degrees Celsius. If you already own Reolink PoE cameras like the TrackMix or Doorbell PoE, this NVR is plug-and-play compatible and a very clean way to centralize recording. Up next, we'll do a follow-up showing how to connect the Reolink TrackMix and doorbell to this NVR, walk through the UI, set motion zones and retention, and test live tracking. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the install video. Coming up next.